Hello guys, hello YouTube, today I have a Rubik's Cube completely solved. And then I'm going to make checkers. I'm going to teach you how to make checkers. So first, pick a color. Then, once you have that color, see what? You move it backwards. No. If you choose yellow, it will go with white. If you choose red, it will go with orange. If you choose green, it will go with blue. And then once you have your color, you're gonna swipe it backwards again 2 times. And then now you have that part. Do it to the other side. There you go, and then the person look like this. But on the other side, the person look like this. And if you have this, it will be a cross in the middle. So you have to repeat what you did on the one you did. Okay, now you have the Rubik's Cube completely with checkers, and I'll show you how to solve it. Okay, first, let's watch. Boom, all solved. And peace out.